Tiny travelers, introducing microorganisms. These minuscule beings are all around us, yet we often don't realize their presence. They are so small that we need special tools to see them. Microorganisms are tiny living things. They're so small, you need a microscope to see them. Imagine peering through a lens and discovering a whole new world bustling with life. They live all around us, in the air, soil, water, and even inside our bodies. These tiny organisms have adapted to thrive in every imaginable environment, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. Though invisible, they play a big role in our world. They interact with their surroundings in complex ways, forming the foundation of many ecosystems. Some microorganisms are helpful, like the ones that help us digest food. These beneficial microbes break down complex substances, making nutrients available to our bodies. Some are harmful and can make us sick. Pathogenic microorganisms can invade our bodies, causing diseases and infections that challenge our immune systems. Understanding them is important to appreciate the world we live in. Scientists study these tiny creatures to learn how they affect our health, environment, and even the climate. They might be small, but they have fascinating ways of moving and getting around. Some swim using tiny hair-like structures, while others glide or even hitch a ride on larger organisms. Let's dive in and discover how these tiny travelers navigate their microscopic world. Their journeys and interactions are a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of life on Earth. The world of microorganisms is incredibly diverse, teeming with life forms that are invisible to the naked eye. These tiny entities play crucial roles in ecosystems, health, and even industry. Let's meet some of the main characters in this microscopic world: bacteria, protozoa, and algae. Each of these groups has unique characteristics and functions. Bacteria are single-celled organisms found everywhere, from the deepest oceans to the human gut. They are incredibly adaptable and can survive in extreme conditions. They come in various shapes: rod-like, spherical, or spiral. These shapes help them move, attach to surfaces, and interact with their environment. Protozoa are also single-celled, but are more complex than bacteria. They often have specialized structures for movement and feeding, making them fascinating to study. Algae, unlike bacteria and protozoa, can be single-celled or multicellular. They are found in a variety of aquatic environments and are essential for producing oxygen. They are like the plants of the micro-world, using sunlight to make their food through photosynthesis. This process is vital for life on Earth. Each of these groups has unique ways of moving around, whether it's the flagella of bacteria, the cilia of protozoa, or the gliding movements of algae. Their diversity is truly remarkable. Microorganisms have evolved fascinating ways to move. Some use special appendages, while others employ more unusual methods. One common method is using flagella, long whip-like structures that propel them forward. Think of it like a tiny tail that spins like a propeller, allowing them to swim. Cilia are shorter, hair-like structures that move in coordinated waves like oars on a boat. Some microorganisms, like amoebas, use pseudopodia, temporary false feet that extend and contract, letting them crawl. Section 4. Microscopic Adventures, Real-World Journeys. These movements are not just about wandering around, they are crucial for survival. Imagine a bacterium needing food. Its flagellum helps it swim towards a food source, or consider a protozoan hunting for smaller organisms to eat. Its cilia help it chase down its prey. Some microorganisms even use their movement to respond to light or chemicals in their environment. Section 5. The Mighty Microworld. Importance and Fun Facts. The world of microorganisms, though invisible to the naked eye, is full of wonder. These tiny entities are everywhere, from the soil beneath our feet to the air we breathe. They're so small that millions can fit into a single drop of water. These tiny travelers play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They are the unsung heroes of nature, working tirelessly to maintain balance. Without them, life as we know it would not be possible. They break down dead matter, help plants grow, and recycle nutrients back into the environment. This process is essential for the health of our planet, and even contribute to the air we breathe. Microorganisms play a part in the nitrogen cycle, which is crucial for plant growth and air quality. Some bacteria can even survive in extreme environments like hot springs and ice caps. These extremophiles have adapted to live in conditions that would be lethal to most other forms of life. The study of microorganisms reveals a hidden world full of complexity and beauty. Each species has its own unique role and contributes to the intricate web of life. So next time you think about the world around you, remember the secret life of moving microorganisms. They are the invisible architects of our world, shaping the environment in ways we are only beginning to understand.